Learning has always been a curve that has pushed boundaries of our present and built a better and stronger future. To create efficiency and make your endeavors effortless, strong organizational and management skills with cutting-edge technical prowess set the foundation for the ladders one dreams of climbing. One of the oldest and still extremely relevant industry of maritime and shipping demands expert professionals, especially in times when the standards of the shipping industry are improving, and it's imperative to continually adapt. The only solution then is to enter a progressive environment where these critical factors of the maritime sector are taken care of. Now, imagine being taught by the best in the business, leading professionals and practitioners who can share their knowledge and life experiences in the most efficient platform to enhance your prowess. ISF Group brings to you a brand new learning series, the only masterclass you will ever need, by some of the finest professionals who've proven themselves time and again at a global level and are here to impart knowledge to you that they wish someone taught them during their learning years. Welcome to Learn from the Practitioner, a revolutionary learning initiative where you learn directly from expert professionals and practitioners, study from world-class material and case studies, attend digitally so that you can join from any part of the world, and choose a modular program that suits you. From topics like shipbuilding, repairs, operations, finance, general management, planning, organization, and more. You know we've got you covered. Join us on a journey that will push your own limits and carve you into the diamond everyone is looking for. The right learning can increase your worth and value and help you become an expert practitioner.